In today's video, I'll be showing you two techniques of how to find your lost or missing iPhone, even if it's dead or has no battery, using other Apple devices and also Android devices. Wow. But first, welcome back to K-Seeking Online Videos. It's your AI girl, Whitey, and it's always a pleasure to have you back on our channel. If you are new here, you are most definitely welcome to the home of the most informative videos. Without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Guys, we are going to start with the Find My app, which is found on any of your Apple devices. It could be a Mac, an iPad, or an Apple Watch, okay? And you should be signed in with your Apple ID on this device, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to click on it like this. Then once you click on it, it's going to be like this. You'll click on devices, then you will drag it up like that. Then you're going to click on the device that you want to find, okay? So I want to find this iPhone that is under Joveria. I'm going to click on it. Now, once you click on the name under which your iPhone is registered, it's going to bring for you the location. Like you can see, the iPhone is in Kawempe division, and if you look here under the name, you can see that it's in Tula Road, Kampala, okay? Now that's the location of the iPhone. It won't show you the exact place where you are, but at least it will show you the area. So if you just forgot it somewhere, you can go back and find it. And if you're certain that it's within the home boundaries, or like you have kids who could potentially have misplaced it, or you left it at the office, it's within your office and you're at office, you can come and click here where it says play sound. You click on it like this, then it will connect to your phone. That's if your phone is switched on, okay? Then it will send an alert which says find my iPhone, okay? Find my iPhone alert. Next thing you can do is you can scroll down like this, and then you access more options. You can click on notify when left behind, and then there is also an option of mark as lost. So you can click on this button, and then like you can see there is notify when found, activation log, passcode required, iPhone protected, leave a message. Like you can read through all of that. Then you click on the continue button, then enter. So here you can enter the phone number, and this phone number can be used when someone finds your iPhone and wants to contact you, okay? So you can write in any number that you want people to call you on. So you can put a message that you want to display on your phone once someone finds it, okay? So for example, they've shown you an example of a message: this iPhone has been lost, please call me, okay? So you can put the message there. After that, you can click next, and then you activate. So that message will display on your phone once someone finds it, and also your number will be there so they can contact you. Now, the other thing I didn't show you is the erase this device. If you're scared that your iPhone is really lost and you don't want anyone who finds it to access any of your data, you can click on the erase this device, and it will erase your iPhone completely, okay? Now I know you're saying you've showed us how to find it when it has battery, it's on, but what should I do if I lost it and it doesn't have battery, or the person who stole it switched it off? What can I do? So the first thing you're going to notice, once you click on it, you will see that it will show you a black screen. Yeah, it will show you that it's off, it's powered off, but it will show you where it was last seen. You see, it was last seen in Tula Road, okay? So then you can see how many minutes ago, once you look under your registered name, okay? It shows you 4 minutes ago. So what you can do is still you cannot play sound, sorry, because it's off. Now what you can do is notify when found. You're going to activate that, so you get a notification when it's found. You'll get a notification on this device. You can click on notify when found. Then still, it's the same steps. You can click on the mark as lost. You can erase the device as well. So that's what you're supposed to do once your phone is switched off. Immediately once it's turned on or switched on, and you put a message that displays on the screen, like I told you before, you can the person can easily know that your phone is lost or it was stolen, Guys, once you're certain that your phone is really stolen, I encourage you to contact the authorities so that they can help you track this person who stole your phone. Okay? For our next technique to find our iPhone, I want us to first take away the misconception that you cannot find any Apple device unless you are using a similar Apple device. Okay? With this technique, you can use any Android device to access your missing iPhone. So what you're going to do is you're going to first go to your favorite web search. It could be Chrome, or you know Chrome, or Google. So you will type in iCloud.com, or you can just type in iCloud, and then you will go to this website, iCloud.com. Then once we are here, we are going to sign in with our Apple ID. So you'll come and click here where it says sign in. So it will ask for email or phone number. Then you'll enter the email. Then you click on next. The password is already saved in, so it is automatically just going to go in. So once you're signed in, they're going to ask you for a two-factor authentication. But I don't want you to worry about this because you don't have it since your iPhone is already lost. So what you're going to do is you're going to click here where it says find devices. So once you click on that, they'll bring you all your devices that are connected to the Apple ID. And then if you click on the device you're trying to find, it will show you that this iPhone is located somewhere within the circle. But if it's dead, it will still show you a black screen if it's not on. Okay. Then for the other steps, you're just going to continue with the steps that I showed you earlier on. You can play sound on your phone. If it's within the house, you can mark as lost. If you are sure that it's missing, that maybe you've lost it for about like a week, then you can also erase the device to protect to protect people from accessing your data. Guys, please visit our YouTube page, KCK Online Videos, which brings you information about our technology and immigration. We have our various videos here that you can learn from. You just have to go through them and learn from them. Like you can see, we have from how you can create your own YouTube channel. So many topics here that are can learn from. I've linked the link in the description down below. Please click on it to watch more content like this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. It was good to have you in this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button, like the video, and ring the notification bell for more content like this. If you have any questions, doubts, or suggestions, you can leave them in the comment section down below. And thank you so much. See you in my next one, guys. Bye.